Hi everyone, I think this is called explosions of colors in milk. So yeah, and here's what you'll need. You'll need a platter like this full of milk. Well, not full, but until like a little. Food coloring, like any color. A detergent and ear thingy. I have no idea what it's called. So step one is to add color. So I'll add blue. Wait a minute. I have to get this cap open of the blue. Okay, and I'll have to, sorry about that. Then just drop like 1, 2, and yeah, that's it. And then I'll add another color. You know what? I'll just leave it like that so you can see, because I think you can see like that. Yeah. You can see like that. Okay, then now add a little here. Yeah. You have to connect. Okay, whatever. Like that. And then you can do, and I'll do yellow. I'll do yellow too. Okay, that's like enough. And green. And green. Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay, put your food coloring thingies back into the whatever box or something like that. I have no idea. And well, wait. Okay, put these back. Okay, and then take like some kind of detergent or something like that, like dishwashing soap. Take this thing and put some like some, I have no idea, some kind of like drops. Wait a minute. It's like some kind of detergent, You all understand what I'm saying. You all understand what I'm saying. Is that enough for, oh my gosh, is that even, is that enough? You know what, I think that's enough, I have no idea. I don't know, press all the way to the bottom. And then, ta-da! Let go of it, and it's explosions of color. It's great for science experiments. Great. Awesome. It's explosions. It's awesome. You can do this home with your kids if parents are watching this, and it's awesome. It's just awesome. The secret is the fat in the milk. I have no idea how to explain this, but I can just tell you it's a secret. The secret to that makes it like that is the milk. Let me add more, so so you can see how much more, and yeah. Okay. Wait a second. Okay, and yeah. Yep, this is definitely it. And when you're done, you might have to throw this away. So yeah. Okay, this has been Science with Mike. See you next time. Bye!